Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your Emirates ID to Apple Wallet using the UAE ICP app. First, open the UAE ICP application and log in using your UAE Pass credentials to verify your identity. Once you're in, tap on Cards and then select Documents. Here you'll see your Emirates ID. Tap on it to open. Now, tap it again and you'll see the Add to Apple Wallet option. Select that, follow the prompts, and in just a few seconds, your Emirates ID will be securely stored in your Apple Wallet. And that's it. That's how to add your Emirates ID to Apple Wallet using the UAE ICP app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.